Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and sandwich enthusiast.
A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Kate is making my recipe for an easy vegetarian take on lobster rolls. Eggplant skin adds gorgeous color to the dish, but you can peel it if you want. Salting the eggplant doesn't just add flavor, it draws out water and makes the texture creamier. Let it hang out for 30-something minutes. While that drains, heat the oven to 400 degrees. Make sure you dry the eggplant super well. Melted butter adds rich flavor. Roast until tender. We'll work on the dressing while the eggplant cools. Some of this diced celery will get mixed in. The rest will get sprinkled on top. Adjust the lemon juice, salt, and pepper until it's just right. Toss gently so the eggplant stays in big chunks. These aren't any buns, they're split top. Those flat sides are perfect for browning in a skillet. Toasty buns are best while they're warm. And that's roasted eggplant rolls in 5 ingredients. Let's eat!